There's gonna be time na talagang hahayaan mo lang yung market, yung overtrading. Instead of you overtrading, it would be even better if you just let your position do its magic. Taas mo lang yung stop loss mo. Okay? So, there are times you overtrade because iniiklian mo naman yung horizon mo for take profits. Whereby, pwede ka naman, okay, so hayaan mo lang bukas. Kahapon nag-uusap kami ng mga mentor, sabi sa akin ng mga mentors, coach, hanggang saan yung nasa strawberry farm kami. Sabi hanggang saan yung XRP? Sabi ko hanggang 1.5 yan. Pag dinner namin, inabot yung 1.5. When we were having dinner, inabot yung 1.5. So sabi ko, there's gonna be time na talagang hahayaan mo lang yung market.